one mabawa. So far the open when you fear. Megidi said this year utimi winia ebe
o de mi win. O de mi win na agro na jingle ne ya adamete ba nti hwane bio.
Okay.
Wo jingle na wo bona wo de humanity no. Dam djuma na mede ba nti hwane bio.
E say unfie drube ya he.
Me fi kakra. Me start research work onye 1986. In my various research works.
That time made 6 years.
1986. What is a mirabema and Yama Maye, a bifa Ghana, United Nations,
Pikabiche, Yama Bena, why is it?
Yama Mayo, a football circle, or beer me. I'm a renowned Aphone. What friend Mr. Golden Go? Mr. Golden Go. Whoever scores first in extra time, I want our hope will be a binimi. Whoever scores first in extra time wins the match. It's my brainchild. The whole world. What boy who the otu miribia? What bobo na what extra time? Ubisha no apon. Damage man men am here. The whole world. Nobody.
Wow.
Nobody.
I out to come on FIFA.
They come on FIFA. Ghana by that time na me a branch na me papa na me be around 34, 35. Nti me nya adwen there say what bo extra time na say what bo kesi na say obi an show bia oh yeah juma say be on so enwa nti extra time ball na 90 minutes na yeah bo ya bo 90 minutes na ya na say be san be bo 30 minutes na asan ko bo penalty say bran fa so no wodo be so nyama me nyane na e fa ye revelations oh yeah ni radusu na me nya da me nyirade hu de say that means what bo extra time na obi sha wompon me kind of say me no nya some say medical radio station be by that time na radio stations no no medical what's hey dabi then say na wo bobo no be show be a bompo want ma say nti asena na me call Ghana News Agency na me call bon am na sports editor by that time so na ma chro akọ graphic sports nti sports head organization also what all kind article near very good in team fan come FIFA by that time na musa by that time so na information in what then ya e click bibia na information to all show FIFA address them na me the article no me the FIFA 14 days na say blatter all show me them idea near good and FIFA will adopt it more letter no FIFA started adopting it
so that was in which year?
That was in 1986.
1986?
Yes, I have all the letters there to prove. Right?
Were you giving some money, some compensation?
Not even a kobo, not even a dime, not even a peso. Ghana Sports Minister behind you. Made the trade, but Ghana, I am kakra.
So the golden goal was your brainchild.
It's my brainchild.
But they did not give you anything.
Nothing.
Blatter replied your letter.
Yes, he replied my letter.
You still have the letter there?
I still have the letter there. Inti Ghana how Bianca Samunupo make sure World Intellectual Property Organization WIPO. And now WIPO I have all those letters there. WIPO bring me letter then. Say FIFA for or the one you call into arbitration. Yes. Now yes settle matter no ayadama it lead into dispute ye me did am ade chira so the Ghana area just sabi mpon chowo say
BBC was sports media me jom din ti say na make na free here ye be man yoma kasa na bia mo pemre na mo no di sport nkomo papa and you picture that way
very good.
Wow.
Yes, this is my picture.
Wow.
They know me, uncle. Me.
Wait, time I will let come as a blatter.
Oh, wait, a young chap, papa. Blatter didn't the man in 1986.
Okay, we didn't say.
A young chap, papa.
And Mr. John Amwa, who you teach pa?
What about Russia 2018 in FIFA? We used some of my ideas in the 2018 World Cup. The technical pointing system was the eliminate Senegal from the World Cup against Japan. It's my brainchild.
Na o sa enema adwenwe nyina de na onko omen e bi ti se GFA na ka GFA fo mfa onka omo administration ho na sorry on
bisa ho GFA penyin also nyime Minister of Education be also Minister of Sports be also nyime na onye minister na onye GFA chairman bisa ho ask them all of them me
aya oben omo propose some of only money be mom
wonyi me nyim bi afre no na bisa no there papa or kan kofi seminar or teden bisa no sports ministers no call them say am papa na say am akọ na nyim da
yeah say am new minister
akọ na nyim da but
Oko amu na amu shede mo.
Me dia pa. Me di only me di hu ya. Me di uncle. Enyama ma ya magana. What to abe yankasa. Me di hu akotin. Me wo papers ni na wa. Me tumi da akire. What to abe yankasa. 209 na me nya yi kire. There that article 63 clause 3 no ye dey kire Ghana oba me problem. Make sure the graphic. Oh my me wo copy wa hasisi ya. 209. By that time, no one to come constitution review. No one to wait 209. Minya iche. Mr. Damanya mi yinye me piche. Yes.
And also a writer as well.
Hey, make sure my graphic and Times. When you go to graphic, go to Times. They know me very well. John,
I brand you the urge more Times. Into no nimo.
How you are?
Yeah, I brand you the urge more Ghanaian Times.
Make sure more. This is John. I'm a spectator.
And almost say contribute more Times ne graphic. Now I'm more kakra.
Oh, nothing.
Hey,
a good question. Maybe some. I am endo. Since 1986, sabi. I am me wife na me mo from Manupo. I am when you anje. Because since 1986, sorry, na roko ha na radio station. In fact, me research, ever researching.
Recordo diana na person ye live e wo studio here.
Oh man, live. Me Ghana di. Me do Ghana too.
Mitimi hu
ntimi ye bibia Ghana mu
mitimi hu pa se asa Ghana no adidi moje mo
opening
I was saying ka obai kura nanka aban asoma ai soldier force ye ni wachi because na Ghana no wo mu no
me by me by me de rosette me nya kwan pa mo me late kakra me de rosette
that's babia be ko bia bobo Ghana nema
bobo me Ghana nema me kita me flag Ghana
wow
me Ghana ne de me Ghana
but the flag ne fa check camera na man phone say o kita camera
wave something.
Mr. Moaji Ghana di.
Ba ko penia ne be ni obi antumi mfi ba bi meye Ghana yie man. Chese ya na ye ne.
That is true.
Na me anamsa me ji Ghana dinti. Na ye di Ghana ayi afofida ya ayi independence. Me pese ye di Ghana niam daddy aya no mo ka bibi wom say where Ghana where Ghana
eat Ghana
drink Ghana me pese ye di bibi ka ho speak Ghana
so where Ghana eat Ghana sleep Ghana drink Ghana speak Ghana
ada say so one ji wo krom kasa ania den na wo ye nya me ya fanti say Santin American me Ghana di say enyum kra say what a Ghana what the Ghana awoda de bia what no happy birthday to you be mamento ne Ghana den chiro
okay okay e mama for run free the entia oba Mr. Mo esape omo ni ba ko die no chi na fe the entia oba no kra no man pay attention to you. Okay. Enti yenye challenge no and they o sing Ghana o independent challenge no ba be kano direct here in the studio. Yeah, ready.
Independence Ghana no in America say me am say me je Ghana dint. Se o sha eyi fi emra ye Ghana eyi fahudi 1957 abesi na Ghana ye di mfe adusia anan 64 years. Yeah. So ye Ghana national anthem no ye de obi krom kasa nko a na ye de to
brofo na ye de to no
brofo de bia God bless our homeland Ghana make our nation great and strong and now me bisa say ye nuanom na wo man ko school no God bless our homeland Ghana no wo mo kan wana
omo kan bum sa
yeah that be wo kan ho they are not part of it because they don't understand it. If you don't understand something you can't work with it. That's it. Enti
I say Mr. Moa o back room ha you say Ghana English your official language.
Official language.
Idea juma.
Perfect. Perfect. Me nka say yen twa no mu.
Yeah, me to ase. Enti say o ka say bi omo man ko school no omo nka ho a. Your official language. Enti say ne obeko school one go school.
National official language in national anthem. Ye ka say national anthem ni there aye o man na koma so nyom.
Ndi ampa.
Semi boa. Na ya to no brofun kwa semi yempa yeti brofun kakran sa wo ka say yen kire Ghana national anthem God bless our homeland Ghana na say
asa obi so beka say ye wo yenara ya sasini say no so ho
me dey say papa wo ko Ghana eyi no kra website wo dey ko ye ka say yen to Ghana national anthem yen to ne Ghana kasama no omoto yenara ya sasini abo dinde man wo dey nche wo shikpo dabi wrong yes what dey nche wo shikpo ne yenara ya sasini perfect good patriotic song there's nothing wrong with it yes what dey nche wo shikpo ne wo dey yenara ya sasini perfect good song but and yet national anthem, let me repeat it, and yet national anthem, the translated version of the national anthem is meto first stanza no pe achem.
Okay, mebao sisi the oba beye the old present in the name of the challenge, no?
Yes, in the name of the challenge.
Okay,
anune national anthem Infante.
National anthem Infante. Mr. Amwa yenti
me wo other translations no ho bet.
Oh, you bet mamwa to baby the measure.
And bet me two way nko a. And say ne ko. Nya mishrahen man Ghana na yehen man kese na dum na hodin na kukudra odebobo fahuzi na te fahun prafibo fano kwara hu brazi shehye na kumemu mayenje nu kweza sronyim tumu na mayen fihen pena hodini na munkuntia kwa so mafibo na mayen fihen pena hodini na munkuntia kwa so mafibo
munye dede
national anthem yenra ya assassin.
Wow, John Amwa giving us a new national anthem. Wow, that is the fancy version. Wow, Mr. Amwanti, way what's running that bay? If you watch training,
yes.
Now, we what suggest my fan is Ministry of Education and say National Commission on Civic Education, NCC for their common.
Good question. Marco baby, I'm a CC Apple say a mirror a Ministry of Education. Ministry of Education put one letter. The president will approve. See one Ghana school for you now.
Hey.
Oh, me letter nature.
I didn't patch on our beno. I read the letter.
But your work.
I found my at the one I bang or backkind bibia or a catching a pan.
So, also, Mr. John Amwa, P.O. Box.
But what you can't check address ne letterhead ne bibia.
Yeah. Ministry of Education. Ministry Branch Post Office. P.O. Box M45 Accra.
Oh, the only abanye
digital address.
Me ba. Oh, you need abanye juma or your friends in New Times. Oh, share letterhead no share address nas for that a authentic.
Yeah.
A authentic, genuine.
Yeah.
Okay, afeit e read the letter ne kan.
10 December 2020.
Letter way about 10th December 2020.
Yeah.
Okay.
Reference number. So our hanamo. DA 141
stroke
336 stroke 01B.
Okay.
That's the reference number.
Okay.
And our telephone number. So I will so. Adoption of the national anthem and the national pledge to be translated into 11 Ghanaian languages for use in schools. We make reference to the above subject matter. It's like he wrote to them on it. Following your request to adopt and translate national anthem and national pledge into 11 languages, the ministry is pleased to inform you that the Office of the President has granted approval to your request. In view of this, the Ghana Institute of Languages has reviewed the translation of the national anthem and the national pledge into the following languages: Ekriapim Twi, Asante Twi, Dagari, Dagbani, Dangwe, Ewe, Gan, Gonja, Kasim, Mfanti. Okay, then there was a mistake there. Mfanti and Enzema. Kindly be on standby for further action on this matter. Thank you. Signed, Wilhelmina Samoa Mrs., Director General Administration for Honorable Minister, and Omar Kope, Minister of Education, Honorable Minister of State Tertiary, Minister of Education, Deputy Minister, Minister of Education, and Chief Director, Minister of Education.
Wow. I see. Now, Mr. Mwabuku, where's your day?
Kwamacho afahuni. 11 languages nina translated.
11 languages. Una oye nina.
Bureau of Ghana languages. Bureau of languages na wabua me other 11 authentic genuine translations from
Bureau of National Languages na omuye we ma other language.
Other language.
Enti kasi na ne Dangbe ne nina we mu. Ase sia o propose na de ma abai no abaya dia tum se we enche schools no eba be start asua ho ade na mabisa nsem bi etwa na mbisa se also tro bi koma se blatter or FIFA oma ma hwe football also suggest oma ma na we a what start wakase ade mi wi a meji mu sei na dachi wan ko tena ba bi anka se oma ma hwe bi mu
no cre dama komo menye mami no sign letter with antimina menine di hu komo ma se dam asemi odanenyim
se omo hwe de on be ya ma
se December am ti me twen emwaya wode be mam se be woman
letter ne say be on standby omo be get it back to you letter ne na ye December last year mo ebesi ne March what your monkan
nti my and then ne posa nyame ya adom ne se me fi ha
onti your monkan bi
nti wonka aya memmo ho ne WhatsApp
kakra ba omo
ne me fi ha moko ho na ma kebisa de was me standby
nti ene o challenge presentation ye God bless our homeland Ghana no ne twi die no
I know your first stanza but yeah me was 3 stanzas nti se me kwa me the other stanzas no so baba
okay bibinti ase na wa prepare ya adwen asu bebre nti san ye ne biem na fe yemfa nkomonisi de oto ye na menye bibi foforo
Nya Mishrahen man Ghana na yehen man kese na dumna wodin na kukudra ode bobo fahuzi na tefa obafibo Fano kwara hu brazi sheyena kumemu mayenje no kweza sroni mtumu na maye fi hen pe na hu de nyina munkuntia